My name is Gian Paolo. I'm the owner of the Catalina 320. My society is the G&G SRL. The Catalina is an American boat. Is built solid with a solid wood interior, and ice book inside the boat. We have the ice box is for American is important, the ice box, and two stern seat in the stern of the boat. The port of departure is in Marina del Fezzano, Portovenere. Is near the five lands. The check-in is 9 a.m. and the checkout 5 p.m. We can, if the client to want to leave the car inside the marina, have to pay 15 euro. And the Catalina is ideal for a couple and families, because to live experience sailing in comfort, intimate, family, romantic is very important, because is a 10 meters, 10 meters, and for me is very important because is my I'm the owner. Is my boat, is my love. Is my love. For me is important to rent this my boat. No, not all people. Is important the family for me. Okay. Is internal is perfect. For us is very important to clean every day the boat. Our boat is without skipper. If you want to have the skipper, have to pay more. Okay, is only the rental, and have to pay the 100 euro more. 100 euro more for cleaning the boat, and is the cleaning cost. If you want the price is the basic is for 1 day. For 1 day is 480 for day, more cleaning cost. For 7 days is 2,280 for 7 days. I think for my boat I can all things for my love boat. Excuse me, my English.
It's pretty well. You did a good presentation. We understood the boat is refitted, it's nice, and it's your love. That's what we need to know.
Yes.
The rest we will find out when we come.
Now is perfect. It's a perfect boat.